Are you facing the dreaded blinking orange light on your Netgear router? This means your internet is down, and you need a fast fix. Let's get you back online quickly. If you're frustrated like this and your internet is out, it's usually indicated by that orange light blinking steadily. That blinking orange light specifically signals that your router cannot communicate with your modem. Don't worry, we have a direct, step-by-step solution. First, let's start with a simple physical check to ensure everything is connected correctly. You need to check the Ethernet cable. Make absolutely sure it is plugged into the yellow internet port on the router, not one of the standard LAN ports. Also, confirm that all your cables are secure, both at the router end and the modem end. A loose cable is a very common culprit. If the physical check didn't work, the next step is the classic fix, a full power cycle of your devices. Unplug the power from both your modem and your Netgear router. You must wait a full 60 seconds to ensure the power drains completely. Plug your modem back in first. Wait until its lights are stable before you plug the router back in. This allows the modem to fully connect to your ISP. If the power cycle fails, we move on to a crucial software configuration change inside the router's settings. On a computer that is connected to the router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, open your browser and navigate to routerlogin.net. Once logged in, look for the Advanced section, and then find the Internet Settings menu. In the Internet Settings, change the Router MAC address option to Use Computer MAC address. This often forces a successful connection with the modem. This is the final, most extreme step. If everything else has failed, you need a factory reset. Using a paperclip or thin object, hold the small reset button on the back of your router for approximately 10 seconds until the lights flicker. Remember, a factory reset will erase all your custom settings, including your Wi-Fi name and password. Use this as a last resort only. Your internet should now be working, and that annoying blinking orange light should be gone. Enjoy your working connection. If this video helped you fix your Netgear router, please subscribe for more quick and reliable tech fixes.